Recently, we all heard, we all saw the tragic and unfortunate news of deaths of many children due to one poisonous cough syrup. Union Health Ministry issued one advisory banning this cough syrup for all the children under the age of 2. Also, the investigation is going on that what caused this exact tragedy. In this situation, few people had queries that does homeopathy has anything to offer in cases of cough? So surely homeopathy has many medicines which are tested and proved since 200 years and which are very safe, gentle for your children. Homeopathy has many medicines which are like natrum sulph, drosera, spongia, which are very good, not treating just your cough, also the root cause of cough which caused the cough. So choose homeopathy and be healthy.